It's time to serve. It's time to serve. It's time to serve. Hola amiguitos, hola, I'm Ulises Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Thank you for playing this video. Right now I'll show you how to make vegan carbonara. Very easy and simple as fun. Right now, it's kind of ingredients that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be honest with you. 3 days ago, I bought this cheese. It's good, amazing. I'm pretty sure that I don't know if you can find this product, but in case that you don't know or you don't get it, I can show you how to make one cashew cheese. Very easy to make that cashew cheese. I'm gonna use this shallots, pasta, cashew milk. Right now I'm gonna add a little of this mushroom. I'm gonna slice it, this trumpet, but also you can use porcini. Works good if you don't have plant-based sausage. Also right now I'm gonna show you how. Actually, this is dehydrated. Yes, this is bacon carrot dehydrated or carrot bacon dehydrated. I'm gonna add it to my pasta. For our mushroom, I'm gonna cut it as slices on couple of slices and marinate it with couple ingredients. Yes, I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna use those ingredients: lemon or lime. Also, agave or maple syrup. If you don't have that, you can add some sugar, cayenne, or pepper. Pepper is paprika, soy sauce, aminos. If you are allergic to the soy, please you can use coconut aminos. And right now I'm gonna use a little of my Italian oil. Yes, Italian oil is very easy to make some Italian oil. If you don't know how to make it, let me know and I can share with you this recipe. Please don't skip the video. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Thank you for playing this video and let's do it. So right now, amigos, amiguitos, amigos, right now I'm gonna cut my mushroom. Also right now, I'm gonna, actually this is optional, I say. I don't like the seeds on the, yes, I don't like the seeds in my lemon or lime. Oh no. Soy sauce, syrup, cayenne paprika. Mix good, mix well. Always right here a little bit more. So, my mushroom in there. I'm gonna toast it well. So I'm gonna leave aside. So now it's time to turn on the heat. Okay, it's working. While it's getting our water hot, it's time to cut our shallot. I'm gonna use a little bit. Also, if you don't have shallot, you can use white onions. It's no big deal. Also, I'm gonna cut my bacon. I love this bacon. So once it's hot, your water, little salt, and put into your pasta. So while your pasta is cooking, it's time to cook the rest of our ingredients. So on our medium heat, little oil. Once it's hot, put your onions, salt to them, Da-da-dee-da-da-da. Look at this garlic. Looks like garlic. Bacon. Make sure don't burn it. Your nutmeg. So this is the fun part of this dish. Wow! Ta 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 ta. So, amigos, just please allow your sauce thicken up. Oh my god, right now it's thickened. If you think it's too thick, add a little more of your nutmeg. So also my pasta is ready. Right now I'm gonna bring into here. It's everything. Yeah, it's a small piece over there, but it's okay. So, just. Oh my god, for the black garlic is getting one color like gray, but wow, it's gonna be delicious. Right now I can see that it's creamy. Da 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 da, should be thick. Right now it's time to serve her. 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 Did you see how easy it is to make one vegan carbonara? What I was going to do? Added a little extra bacon. It's good, never is enough. Never is enough. So amigos, I'm ready. Made my vegan carbonara. If you don't know how to make the vegan or plant-based bacon with carrots, let me know and I can share with you this recipe. I know that sometimes it's hard to find this kind of cheese. I'm using this kind of cheese, or I use this cheese, I use it, but I can show you how to make the cashew cheese. It's very easy, simple. Sometimes if you don't have the carrots, you can add it or replace with the spinach, broccoli, peas, green peas, or whatever. Sometimes there are infinite ways to make vegan carbonara pasta. Try it, please. Thank you for playing this video. Also, tell me what would you like to see on my next videos. If you like this video, give me one thumbs up. So see you, peace and love. Love to the vegan carbonara. Quack, 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 quack.